Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of restore division algorithm. We generally do not division algorithm, dividend divisor. If the divisor exactly divides the dividend, we are getting a quotient value 1. The same procedure is applied here. Here the term restoring in the sense, after doing subtraction of the divisor from the some part of the dividend, if you are getting a negative result means it is not possible to divide. In such a case, immediately we restore the divisor back to its original value. So let us move with some flowchart and example. We will understand the complete restoring division. So initially initially the dividend is in register Q, divisor is in register M. Suppose n is equal to the number of bits of the dividend, that is how many number of times you are performing the operation, that specify n value. A is equal to 0. The purpose of A is which is appended to the higher order of the quotient, and also A is used to get the remainder, that is A stores the remainder. Clear? And what is the first step? The first step is we are doing shift left operation on AQ. Why we are doing shift left operation? Initially all the values of A 0, Q is my dividend. Each step we are moving one bit from the one bit from the dividend to A, do the division operation. And if it is successful, okay. If it is not, restore. We will discuss shift left of AQ and then do subtraction operation. So from the partial, we are subtracting the divisor. After subtracting the divisor, you are checking the sign bit of MSB. That is whatever the result we are getting, we are checking the sign of MSB. Anyway, two possible cases, is equal to 1 or is equal to 0. What is mean by is equal to 1? If the sign is equal to 1 in the sense the result is a negative, so we are getting wrong result. That means we are restoring back to the original value. A simple example, suppose consider decimal, suppose the number is 4, 5. Is it possible to divide? No, it is not possible to divide. Suppose number is 6. Is it possible to divide? Yes. That is we are checking here. Now, so here is equal to 1. What we are doing? Simply Q of 0 value is equal to 0. That means it is not possible to divide and the quotient value is equal to 0 and A is equal to A plus M. This step is called restoring step. Here we are subtracting the divisor, we are adding the divisor, means we are getting the original value. If it is equal to 0 in the sense the subtraction is successful. If the subtraction is successful in the sense the divisor divide the dividend. So obviously Q of 0 value is equal to 1. You got it? Like this we are shifting all the bits of the dividend to A. Now what is the next step? After doing decrement n value by 1. So n means it specifies the number of bits. Each and every iteration one bit of the Q is moved to A. Suppose the Q contains 5 bits. This operation is repeated 5 times. Q contains 4 bits. All the 4 bits are shifted left. So the operation is repeated 4 times. Now check n value. If n value is not equal to 0, the same process is repeated. Whenever n value is equal to 0, stop the process. Finally, the quotient in Q and the remainder is present in A. This is, and stop the process. This is the end. This is the division algorithm. Let us discuss this algorithm by considering one example. Assume I have a dividend Q. Assume the number is 14. What is the decimal representation? 1110. M is my divisor. Assume my divisor is thumb 3. Now the decimal representation is 111. I used 5 bits. I used 5 bits for representing the divisor. Obviously, A is also 5 bits. So initially, what is the value of A? 0. And what is the value of N? N is equal to 4. Why? The number of bits of the dividend. And one more thing. Here I am taking M bar plus 1. Why? Because simply here in the process I am doing subtraction. So subtraction in the sense adding 2's complement. Instead of calculating every time, initially I calculated this one. What is the 2's complement of this one? 11101. We know the procedure how to calculate 2's complement. Now start from the procedure. This is A value, Q value, N value. What is the first step? The first one is initialization. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, double 11110 and the N value is equal to 4. So coming to the first step, shift left of AQ. Simply do the shift left operation. You know the procedure. This is the shift left. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now if you understand, 1 bit of the dividend, each iteration, 1 bit of the dividend is moved to A. We are performing our operation with A only. We are performing our operation with A only. How many bits? 4. So at last we need to transfer the 4 bits. Each and every iteration we are adding the result from this position. Now understand, like multiplication. Now 110 empty. So here what you need to fill based on the sign of this one. So but before that, what is the step? You need to do the subtraction. A is equal to A minus M. So for that add this one 11101 101 111. So 110. What is the MSB value? 1. MSB value is equal to 1 means simply 0. Now if you understand carefully what happened, what is the above decimal number? The decimal number is 1. What is my divisor? Divisor is 3. Is it possible to divide? No. It is not possible to divide. Simply place 0 and the next step is restore A value. Restore means for the A we are subtracting M. This is the result. For the result we are adding this M. Obviously we are getting this value. So restore the divisor. Restore the A back to its original value 1100 and the number of iterations are reduced by 1. Now N value is equal to 3. It is not equal to 0. Repeat the process. Again do shift left of AQ 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 dash. Here you need to fill the value. Again same, A is equal to A minus 1. So 11101, do the addition operation 0. Here anyway, before doing, observe what is the value. Simply, what is my dividend? My dividend 1 in the sense 3. What is my divisor? 3. 3 1s are 3. The remainder is 0. Generally A stores the remainder. By doing this operation, you are getting all zeros. Check. 110, 110, 1110, 1110, 1110. Discard the carry. You are getting the answer or not. That means it is possible to divide the number with 3. Here the MSB is equal to 1. Simply place 1001. And the number of iterations are reduced by 1. Number of iterations are reduced by 1. Do the same procedure. Shift left of AQ 0, 0, 0, 000, 5 zeros, 4, 1, 0, 0, 1, empty. Now A is equal to A minus M. A is equal to A minus M 1101 10111 001. Here MSB is equal to 1. That means again check. Here the dividend is 1. The divisor is 3. Is it possible to divide 1 with 3? No. That is the reason we are placing 0. And then what is the next step? You need to restore. Restore in the sense the original value. 4 zeros 1 0 0 1 0. Number of iterations, n value is reduced by 1. And the last step, shift left of AQ. Shift left of AQ 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. Here you need to fill the value. Again do A is equal to A minus M. 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So here 0 1 0. What is the value? The MSB value is equal to 1. Here you are getting 0. MSB value is equal to 1. You are getting 0. And then restore A value. The restore A value in the sense 0 0 1 0. And this is the Q value. And N value is equal to 0. Whenever N value is equal to 0, stop the process. Now, what A contains? A contains 0 0 1 0. That is the decimal number 2. This is Q. Q contains 0 1 0 0. That is the decimal number 4. Now check. Q is the quotient. Check 14 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. The remainder is 2. The remainder is present in A. The dividend is the quotient is present in 4. You are getting the correct answer. This is. Now, why you need to perform 4 iterations? Very simple. This is my original dividend. Each and every iteration, one bit of dividend is moved to A and the last bit is filled with my answer. So, by performing 4 iterations, see here one iteration filled with 0, next iteration filled with 1, next iteration filled with 0, next iteration filled with 0. So, 4 iterations I am filling the dividend value and the 4 bits of the dividend are shifted to A to perform division operations like similar to multiplication algorithm. This is the restoring division. In the next session, we will move to non-restoring division algorithm with example. Thank you.